Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download Grok on Windows PC from Microsoft Store. Open Start and go to Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. In the store search bar, type Grok and press enter. Select the official Grok app and click on install button. Wait for the download to complete. Click open button to open the Grok app. You can also open it from start menu. Click on GX.AI to open the Grok app. Grok app has been installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.